Hey guys, I don't know if any of you guys recognize this. This is the shuttle badminton. Today we are going to talk about something similar. The business opportunity that is pool table, ping pong, or table tennis in the bar along with it, or a small restaurant, right, along with it. That's a business opportunity that you could start anywhere in the world. Like you probably need a big place. It's not really too big. You just I would say 5 pool tables, 5 ping pong or table tennis. Pool table is same as billiards, similar to billiards, a little bit different sizes, but it's the same thing. And then have the ping pong tables or table tennis 5. So it's around like 10 tables and then space to play around, right? And then have a small cafe. If you are in a place that a lot of adults are living nearby, or they want to have some drinks, if you're in like US, you could have a bar with some appetizer and stuff like that. Small cafeteria, canteen kind of thing. That is an option. Like you could be attracting a lot of people, a lot of friends and adults over there, just trying to play pool table. And then you could charge by the game or charge by the hour, and you can have Groupons distributed with the discounts, and you can always increase to $50 for maybe hour or something, and then 50% off with the Groupon, $25. More people buy it, and some people don't even use it, and you still get the benefit out of that, right? So yeah, so the business is, you do have to invest, so you need a physical place. It's more of like I would say 5,000 square feet approximately. You don't need 2 floors or anything, just 1 floor, 5,000 square feet. And you don't need to have like rooms and stuff like that. Just applying 5,000 square feet, and then just put if you cannot afford to have 10 tables, like 5 pool tables and 5 table tennis, just have like 2 pool tables and 2 table tennis. Maybe you can start with that, and then just grow from there, right? But you can have smaller place. You don't have to have 5,000 square feet. Just fit in like you can actually fit in 9-foot pool table in maybe 200 square feet, right? So think about it. But you do need to have like a little room around so people can move around and have some lightings, and all those things. It would cost you around $20,000 as an initial investment if you're going to do like 4 or 5 tables total, right? So think about it, and some electrical stuff to go over, have a lights and stuff, and all those things that needs some initial investment. So around $20,000, but and also you need to get a food license for the bar and or for the cafe if you are in other countries and you don't want to have a bar, and then that's about it. Like, and then you need to open in a place that's close to college campus, right? Let's say 50,000 kids are going to college in that campus, right? And then you open it right close by somewhere. And then you probably pay around, at least in US, you probably pay around $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 rent per month for that kind of space. And if you can get like a lot of people every day, most of them comes in the evening, so maybe 4 hours is really busy, and then and then everybody pays around $50 every group. That way, so you just need to get like 20 groups or something like that, right? For the whole day. So you could make $1,000. So out of that could be $500 could be profit. So it's around at least you could make $15,000 profit after everything, right? And on top of that, you have a food, a cafe, other things, and you can advertise through Groupon. You can advertise through other channels. You can give out coupons, and you can send out mailers to the all the neighborhood around. You could have a stall in in a place that in a place where everybody gathers for something else, that you could have a stall booth kind of thing and just advertise yourself. You could do so many things basically, and then you can appoint 2 people, one in the cafe, one in one to just to clean up, manage, and keep up with all the tables, stuff like that. And then you can actually get a business loan if you don't have money, and then get those tables and the places and everything. And you can look up in loopnet.com, and for the business, anywhere the business renting, you should be able to see that. Loopnet.com. That's just for the US, and other countries you can just Google around and see for rent, business for rent, for something like that, and just identify the place that is suitable, and then talk to the pool table guys and negotiate the price. It's around, so I would say around $1,500, $2,000. You can actually even buy a used one, but for the bars and all, like, you may need to buy something really sturdy and durable, and I would say maybe $3,000, right? It's a bigger size too. So you can actually even do a tournaments, like you can charge $50 per team, and then let's say 20 teams opens up, and only one prize of $500, and people will just put in $50 and just try to get $500 back, and you can keep the $500 with you, so you can have every weekend tournaments. And there's so many ideas that's out there, and this is just I'm just giving you a pool table and a game room kind of thing idea. That's what it is. This is just one unique just for these 2 things: table tennis and the pool table, with a cafe or without a cafe, or with a bar, without a bar. So all these options are out there for you. And another option is to have a video games and stuff like that. I think we can talk about that in a different episode, but in today's episode, it's just about just the pool table and table tennis as a business and as a game room, and open that close to the college, or so many people coming in that area, then open up in that area, and start small, have 2-3 tables first, and see if it picks up, and so many people are coming, and they're always waiting for other people to finish, and then you can, in that case, you can just assess the demand and add more tables to it. It's going to only cost $2,000 something. Even the used one you can get it for $1,000. So just play around those things, and you could be making $10,000 to $20,000 profit after everything. It could be more if you have more tables, and then if you advertise more, right? So I talked about all these things, and just for you, if you're interested, just take this and run with it. And then if you still have any questions on this, because I was planning to do this one time, and I ended up doing all the passive opportunities, because I don't want to be physically present. I'll be traveling around the world in the future, Yeah, I don't want to be just to stay in one place. I don't want to have any kind of physical attachment. That's why all my businesses are passive investments, passive income opportunities. So that is what I'm doing right now. And I have researched. I wanted to open several of these different kinds of businesses I'll be talking in the future, and this is one of them. That's what I told you. I gave you all this information, so it's just time for you to act upon. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you guys.